If you've used Alteryx before, you know macros can be one of the most confusing parts of the platform. There are batch macros, packaged macros, iterative macros, and figuring out when to use which one and how to build them can get complicated really quickly. In Savant, we've simplified all of that. Instead of juggling different macro types, the same capabilities are built directly into the platform in a way that's easier, modern, and completely cloud native. In Alteryx, batch macros are usually used when you need to dynamically pull in multiple files, like from a folder full of different Excel workbooks. In Savant, you don't need a macro at all. Our dataset creation process has all of the functions you need built right into Savant. You can select multiple files at once, use wildcards to match file names or even specific tabs, search through subfolders, and automatically grab the most recent file. In Alteryx, package macros are used to bundle up common logic, like saving your own tool and dropping it into other workflows. In Savant, you can achieve the same outcome by creating your own reusable templates. You can group tools together, copy and reuse those groups in different workflows, and because Savant is completely online, your team can access the same tools, flows, and configurations without having to install, package, or download. This makes sharing and reusing logic simpler and more collaborative. In Alteryx, iterative macros are what you use when you need a loop, something that repeats until a condition is met. These are some of the trickiest macros to build and maintain. In Savant, we've modernized the approach to these iterative use cases. You can chain workflows together so one flows into the next, or even set a workflow to call itself for recursive patterns. And with the recursion tool, you get the same results without the overhead of designing an iterative macro from scratch. This makes looping processes simpler, clearer, and much easier to manage. So to recap, batch macros are built right into our platform, standard macros become reusable templates and grouped tools you can share online, and iterative macros are handled with workflow chaining and recursion. At Savant, we've taken something that used to be confusing and heavy in macros and made it simple, modern, and cloud native.